Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to get to Tri-Towers in Skate 4. Now what you need to first do is just open up your map and you can set a waypoint. So this is where it is, right? And if you set a waypoint right here, it'll be so much easier. And then you just have to follow the waypoint. So you just go up to the stairs, just follow the AR path, honestly. So here, as you can see, it's up there. Just follow the stairs. I keep going up, and right here, we're just about there to Tri-Towers, right? As you can see right here, so that's the street you want to go to, and then, right, as you can see, this is the location. So easy, you just go in, set a waypoint, makes it much easier for you than actually going and looking for yourself, because it's up there. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, and subscribe to App Mentor.